Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Henna Art by Bia. Today, I'll be sharing very beautiful stylish Arabic Mehndi designs for Eid that will make your hands look elegant and trendy for the special occasion. Whether you love bold patterns or delicate details, there's something for everyone. Let's get started. Segment 1. Classic Arabic Floral Mehndi Design. Let's start with a classic Arabic Floral Mehndi design. This design features bold floral strokes, swirling vines, and delicate detailing for a stunning and festive look. Segment 2. Arabic Finger Mehndi Design. For a modern and trendy look, this Arabic Finger Mehndi design is perfect. With intricate finger detailing, curved patterns, and elegant strokes, it adds a stylish touch to your Eid celebrations. Segment 3. Arabic Bracelet Style Mehndi Design. Want a unique look? This bracelet-style Arabic Mehndi design features chain-like motifs, floral swirls, and geometric accents, making it a fashionable choice for Eid. Segment 4. Peacock-themed Arabic Mehndi Design. Peacock Mehndi designs always stand out. This peacock-themed Arabic Mehndi features graceful peacock motifs, stylish shading, and artistic swirls for an elegant and festive look. Segment 5. Contemporary Arabic Mehndi Design. For those who love a mix of traditional and modern styles, this contemporary Arabic Mehndi design is a great choice. With neat spacing, sleek curves, and intricate floral elements, it's a stylish option for Eid. Which very beautiful stylish Arabic Mehndi design for Eid was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing Mehndi tutorials. Eid Mubarak in advance. See you in the next video.